Hello, my name is Jin. I'm going to talk about five kingdoms: Protista, Eubacteria, Archaeobacteria, plant, and fungi. First, Protista. Protista are mostly unicellular and eukaryotes, like algae. They can be heterotroph or autotrophs. Heterotrophs means that the organism gets its energy from their other living things by eating, and autotrophs means that it creates energy by itself. For example, algae using photosynthesis. They are usually asexual, meaning that they multiply by itself. Protista helps the nature and human by producing oxygen. Some can make you sick if it gets into your body. One of the Protista is amoeba. It has no shape and moves around like a slime. It eats other Protista and lives in pond water. This is algae. I think algae is pretty cool too. I thought it was plant or something because it is photosynthetic autotrophs, but it was Protista. Algae is the lower end of the food chain, which helps the food chain. Volticella is the last protista I chose. It has cilia that turns like a fan and sucks in its food. Now on Eubacteria. Eubacteria has a cell wall made out of peptidoglycan. The Eubacteria is everywhere, except the extreme environments. They are all unicellular and prokaryotic. They reproduce asexually and are heterotroph. Many are beneficial to us. Some helps us digest and keeps our skin healthy. And it also helps environment by helping plant grow and help water to be clean. This is Clostridium tentennis. It's a eubacteria. It looks like tennis rackets. It causes muscular spasms. This is Clostridium botulinum. It's rod-shaped. It produces neurotoxins, which causes flaccid muscular paralysis. Clostridium perfringens is the last one I chose. It's also rod-shaped. It decays food or dead things. Archaic bacteria. Archaic bacteria has cell wall, but it doesn't have the peptidoglycan. It lives in environment without oxygen. They are all prokaryotic and unicellular. They reproduce asexually and are heterotrophs. It's not like eubacteria. It lives in extreme environments. Bacteria doesn't really help the environment, but it helps us by digesting our food. It can be harmful because it can live in extreme environment like our body and weaken our immune system and cause diseases. This is Methanobrevibacter smithii, and it lives in our guts. It helps us digest our food by fermentation. This is Halobacterium salinarium. It lives in really salty places like inside of salted fishes. Thermococcus lithoralis is the last one. It's found around deep sea hydrothermal vents. It lives in extremely high temperature. Now on plant kingdom. All the plants are photosynthetic autotrophs and eukaryotes. They make their energy by using light, water, and carbon dioxide. They are reproduced using seed, and there are four types of plant: angiosperm, gymnosperm, seedless vascular plants, and bryophytes. The plants helps us using many ways. It gives us oxygen and food. Pine tree is one of the gymnosperm in plant kingdom. Produces a fresh oxygen. Apple tree is one of the angiosperm. The fruit becomes our food and the tree makes oxygen. And rose is also angiosperm that makes oxygen and beautiful flower. Okay, moving on to the last kingdom, fungi. Fungi is a eukaryote and heterotrophs. They have cell wall that is made out of chitin. They digest food outside of their bodies, then absorbs it. Many of them are decomposers. They are all reproduce sexually. We can eat some of the fungi like mushrooms and yeast, and some are parasites like athlete's foot or poisonous like some of the mushrooms. My favorite fungi is enoki mushroom. Why? Because it's eatable and tastes good. It's one of the fungi that we can actually eat. The second one is yeast. We eat them all the time, and it's in bread. My third is the Amanita muscaria mushroom. It's poisonous, but some parts of Europe, Asia, and North America parboils and eats it. Thank you for watching.